Good morning, everyone. How was your day? Great. So, I request all of you to please stand and let us pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Father God in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Father God, for this day. Father God, we even thank you, Father God, for the strength, for the knowledge and wisdom, oh Lord. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. And now, class, I will check your attendance. Once I call your name, say present. Okay. Jessa Cortez. Okay, present. Ana Tamayo. Okay. Renz Ako. Okay. 30D. Okay. GM Paladar. Okay. And very good. All of you are present. So now, before we tackle our topic today, I am preparing something. I have music here titled The Planet. Who among you here to know the song? Very good. Most of you know this song. So here's the song.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet, the closest one to the sun. A year on my surface is 88 days. I'm the smallest, but I'm lots of fun. My name is Venus. I'm the hottest planet, but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in our solar system, and I'm too hot for anyone. My name is Earth. And I'm the planet you live on, the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with organic life, so take care of me, 'cause we're all one. My name is Mars. I am red in color. I'm the fourth planet from the sun. I have the highest mountain in our solar system, a volcano named Olympus Mons. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Jupiter. I am covered in clouds. I'm the 5th planet from the sun. My giant red spot is a raging storm. As for size, I'm the biggest one. My name is Saturn. I am brown in color. I'm the 6th planet from the sun. My outer rings are extremely thin. They're made of dust and icy chunks. My name's Uranus. I am blue in color. I'm the 7th planet from the sun. Humans have named me the icy planet because I am the coldest one. My name is Neptune. I am blue in color. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. I have too many storms in my atmosphere, and I'm the furthest planet from the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun.
Okay, thank you everyone. Now let's proceed to our review. Who can recall our last topic? Okay, Jessa. Very good. It's all about the origin of the solar system. Now, you need to group yourselves into 2. Each group will create a yell and you will be given 10 minutes to prepare. The group who has concise content will be declared as the winner. Okay? You may now start. And now, we have a winner. The winner is Group 2. But before we the class, all of you did very well. To have a game. The game titled Pick Me and Kiss Me. You need to form a big circle and listen to my instruction. First, I have here a ball and a cup which contain a small paper having a picture inside, and when the music starts, you need to pass the ball in front of you, and if you are the one who holds the ball, you need to pick a small paper here and you guess it and pass it. Okay, stop. Pick. Okay, that is, what is that? Again? That is rotation. Okay, very good. Music start.
Fun. My name is Mert.
Okay, what is that again? That is Earth. Okay, very good. Okay, music start.
My name is Venus. I'm the hottest.
Stop. Okay, what is that? Okay, that is revolution. Okay, very good. Thank you everyone for your cooperation, and you may now take your seat. And let's move on to our topic for today. Our topic for today is movement of the Earth. For our objective, you guys expected to distinguish the function of the movement of the Earth. The second is create a poster based on movement of the Earth. And lastly, write a poem that emphasizes the movement of the Earth. So now class, I have a video here showing the day and night, and you need to observe the video being presented.
Movement of the Earth. Two important movements that affect the Earth. Rotation of the Earth. Revolution of the Earth. Rotation of the Earth. The Earth rotates around an invisible axis. The term rotation means to spin around at the same place. It takes the Earth about 24 hours to complete one rotation around itself. The Earth, while rotating, is tilted on its axis by 23.5 degrees from a straight line running across the center of the Earth. The tilt of the Earth causes variation in day and night time at different places on the Earth. The areas around the equator experience exactly 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. The duration of day and night varies as one goes away from the equator. The Earth spins at 1000 miles per hour, and if it stopped suddenly, it would be hit by strong winds that move at 1000 miles per hour. knocking down all the buildings and everything that comes in its way. Rotation and revolution of the Earth. The Earth not only spins at its position, but also moves around the Sun at the same time. The Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 and a quarter days, or 1 year. During the Earth's revolution around the Sun, the Sun's rays reach the North Pole only from the month of March to September. Thus, on the North Pole, the Sun rises on the 19th of March and reaches its maximum at 23.5 degrees above the horizon on 21st June. The Sun sets on the North Pole on 23rd September and reaches its lowest on 21st December, when there is a full 24-hour long night. The cycle reverses at the South Pole due to the tilt of the South Pole towards the Sun. Around December, the Southern Hemisphere is well lit and experiences summer. It is a 24-hour long day on the 21st of December at the South Pole. The Sun's rays fall directly at the equator, thus heating up the areas on that part of the Earth. The poles, which are curved areas, receive slanting rays from the Sun. The two movements, rotation and revolution, create variations in temperature, weather, and in the seasons.
Class, in a short bond paper, you need to draw a diagram showing the day and night, and after that, if you're done, pass it to me.
So hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Erongan and you can call me Teacher May. Okay, since we are done watching about the video about the two functions of the Earth, which are the rotation and the revolution, so now, let's answer this. This is a fill in the blank. And I will give you only 5 minutes to answer. And your time starts now.
So the time is up. So now
We are going to answer the fill in the blank. But since it is only online learning, so let's assume that the fill in the blank quiz is already done and these are the answers. Okay, so now let's proceed to our discussion. So okay, I will going to start now. So like other planets in our solar system, the Earth moves around different ways. One is called rotation and one is called revolution. So let's go to rotation first. So rotation is the movement of the Earth on its own axis. Rotate means to turn. So the Earth turns around slightly inclined imaginary line that joins the two poles called the axis. Okay, I have a question. Do you know how long it takes to make a complete turn? Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, so if your answer is 24 hours, then you are correct. So it takes 24 hours to make a complete rotation. And now, let's see the movement of revolution. As you can see in the video, the Earth turns around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. That may sound a little strange, but if you look, you'll see simply the journey that the Earth makes around the Sun. Okay, I have a question. Do you know how long it takes to make a complete revolution around the Sun? What is your answer? Okay, if your answer is 365 days, then you are correct. Well, it takes 365 days, exactly 1 year. This revolution movement is what makes the spring with the colorful flowers, the hot summer, that autumn when leaves fall from the trees to the ground, and the cold and frosty winter. And of course, these are the 4 seasons. So, let's remember the 2 kinds of movement of the Earth, which are the rotation and the revolution. So when we say rotation, it is the Earth turning itself, causing day and night, which lasts exactly 24 hours. The same is a whole all day. And there is revolution, which is the Earth turning around the Sun, which takes 365 days, which causes the seasons. And of course, let's remember the 4 seasons, which are the summer, spring, fall or autumn, and the winter. Okay, since we are done discussing the 2 functions of the Earth, so now let's make a poem. So you need to write a poem that emphasizes the importance of movement of the Earth, and you need to present it in front. And you will be given only 5 minutes to make it. Okay, so your time starts now.
Okay, so your time is up.
So now, you are going to present it in front. Okay, so now let's assume that you are done presenting it in front, so let's proceed to another. So now, you will be given a group activity in which each group will make a poster making about the movement of the Earth. And of course, you need to choose one representative to explain it in front. And the rubrics are relevance of the content, 50%, creativity, 30%, cooperation, 20%, so the total of 100%. Okay, so we need to assume that our activity is already done. Okay, so since we are done discussing about the 2 functions of the Earth, and we have also done with our group activities, now let's evaluate your knowledge, in which we have a short quiz, a 5-item quiz, in which you need to identify RO if the statement is rotation, and write RA if the statement is revolution. So you need to write your answer in a 1/4 sheet of paper. And your time starts now.
Okay, so your time is up, so we're
Going to answer it now. So I will be the one who read the question and you will be the one who answer. Okay, so let's start. Number 1. One complete trip on the path around the Sun is known as what? What is your answer? Okay, if your answer is RE or a revolution, okay, you are correct. Okay, so let's proceed to number 2. So what causes day and night? Your answer will be Okay, if your answer is rotation, then you are correct. Okay, so let's proceed to number 3. So the movement of the Earth around the Sun in its orbit is called what? Okay, so if your answer is RE or revolution, then you are correct. So now, let's go to number 4. It is a circular movement of an object around a circle. So what is your answer? Okay, if your answer is RO or rotation, then you are correct. Okay, so let's go to number 5. So the movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path is called what? What is your answer? Okay, if your answer is RE or revolution, then you are correct again. Okay, so our quiz is done. So now, we need to move to another. So okay, so now you have a assignment in which you need to research about the meaning of the moon and its importance. And you need to write it in your assignment notebook. So I guess we are done for today. So thank you guys and God bless.